Let me suggest a metaphor here. The Olympics are a mosaic of the physical capabilities of human beings, if we look at it that way. This is what we can do. We can run, we can jump, we can throw, we can do all of those things. We have all of these physical capabilities. Each one, of course, is only a single tile in the mosaic, but you put the whole thing together, this is what we are physically. The sciences, I would like to suggest, are a mosaic of our cognitive response to experience. When you put all the sciences together, that seems to me a very beautiful picture, a very beautiful image.
The scientific method applied to society is something people don't think about much. But if you want to know where the answers may lie, it is in the application of the methods of science with human concern and environmental concern.
Over 20 years ago, the World Health Organization calculated that the technology existed to feed a world population 12 times its size. Well, we didn't need to feed a world population 12 times its size. We only needed to feed a population 1/12 of that, the one we actually had.
We use the scientific method throughout the world. The probability of war drops to zero. The probability of human suffering disappears. Deprivation, poverty, crime, all those things tend to disappear because there's no basis.
Here we face a critical branch point in history. What we do with our world right now will propagate down through the centuries and powerfully affect the destiny of our descendants.
You as a human being, why don't you change? What prevents you? If each one of us asked that question, not verbally or merely intellectually as an entertainment, but ask that question more seriously and deeply, what's your answer?
Let's assume for a moment that we are interstellar travelers originating from Earth as it is known today. And in our journey, we stumble upon, amazingly enough, an exact replica of our planet. The only difference between the current state of this new planet versus our own is that there are no human beings. Human evolution has not occurred. Hence, there's no establishment orders, no social arrogances, no money, of course, nothing to limit our possibility. Given the advanced scientific knowledge we have today, how would we go about redesigning our social infrastructure from the ground up, with the goal to create nothing less than the most efficient, conscientious, and sustainable society as possible?